Yeah, like,
I know. Hey, you're in a 29 on people fighting, and I rolled up there to signal 4. I don't know who's at fault or whatever.
Okay.
Obviously, I'm on for. I'll stay with you for a minute.
Yeah.
I was just driving by and taking this. Yeah.
I know you had a lot going on, but me and the gentleman behind me, we were in the car, we were in the lane.
Okay.
She hit him first.
Okay. All right.
He was bent over looking at the accident.
That's fine.
And she came up behind him and just...
Okay, would you mind hanging out for a second then? Just real quick. We're going to try to get them out
right there.
Okay.
I got my daughter with me though, so I can hang up for a little while, but I can give you my card.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm just gonna loop around.
Are you going to loop around?
Yeah.
I don't know one thing I couldn't tell you who was at fault or whatnot. I mean, obviously it's probably... Yeah, obviously that, and then I don't know if one's signal 1 or whatever.
I don't know, but she's walking off.
Where is she?
Eastbound.
She is?
She's on the other side of the light there.
I don't know if she's at fault. I don't know who's the driver.
Okay.
Have somebody to stop her or what?
Yeah, you want to...
She's gonna go get my little cousin.
Who's driving?
She was driving?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But she gotta go get my little cousins from school because we're supposed to be picking them up right now. We late to pick them up.
Well, yeah, she's got to come back because it's for the...
I said to go walk, to go get her.
What's her first name?
Destiny.
Destiny?
Yeah.
You know Destiny's last... Is she the owner of the car there? Whose car is
It's
that?
my sister's car.
What's Destiny's last name?
I'm not even gonna try. I literally...
Okay.
Like, that's not...
Can you call her? Because she's got to come back here for the crash. I got to get her info for the crash report.
Is this gonna affect me or my record or anything? That's all I want to know.
Were you driving?
No, but...
No, you're good.
He just... they said you gotta come back, bro, before you get a job.
Hey, boss. Hey. Yep. I'm not on for a couple hours. I was just riding by, dude, and there was a signal 4. I didn't see it when they were all fighting.
So who was in the car?
I was driving.
Okay.
You was passing.
You got your driver's license on, my friend?
Yes, I do.
I don't know if you. I was right behind him.
Okay.
She had cut me off too. I don't know if you needed.
Gotcha. Okay.
But or if you want.
Is this your car here?
Yeah, right here.
If you hang out there for 1 second, I'll be right with you. Okay. Thank you so much.
One of them is a female. They just... How far is she? Right there or no?
The car's drivable. Blocks that way now. Yeah, it's drivable. Okay. So she punched this other guy in the back of the head.
Alright guys, this isn't just another roadside accident, this is chaos unfolding in real time. A routine drive suddenly turns into a tangled mess of confusion, clashing stories, and rising tension. Witnesses hesitate, unsure of what they truly saw, while engines idle and nerves start to spike. One thing is clear, something went wrong and fast. A driver allegedly cuts across lanes, misjudges the moment, and triggers a chain reaction that no one fully understands yet. And just like that, a simple street becomes the stage for something far more explosive.
Black female, thin build, wearing a sports bra and shorts.
Yeah, black female on the white sports
Was she in one of these vehicles?
Yeah, she was the driver of the other vehicle. Supposedly she went up to get the kids, but she walked off eastbound. If you guys want to head that way and see if she's just a hater. She's squirrely, so...
Like 6
Does she take the key? You got the keys to the car, or does she? Okay. Can you just pull it in here for me so we can get out of the road? Yeah. I don't want to get hit. Mr. Gregory, would you mind pulling your truck in over here so that way we can get the road open up at least?
All right. Yeah, flip around when you can.
Hey.
Hello. So what happened?
It was. She came in. She was from the farm lane, and like I stopped to let her in.
This closest lane or the...
She was from the farthest lane.
Okay.
Well, starting out, and then she cut me off, but I just stopped and let her go in, and then the girl lived out the window, and then she kept coming in from this lane and went right, like she came from the far lane.
Okay.
And then came over to the closest.
Okay,
yeah.
gotcha.
And then she like kept riding up, even I was like, ooh, that's gonna be close to the things, and she rode up right against his car and then tried cutting him off.
Okay.
And then really left no option for him if he hit her car, and then she starts getting out, immediately gets out of the car screaming, you hit my car, and then basically attacked him and starts beating him, fighting on him, and he really didn't have much choice but to like
defend himself. Okay.
She gone. Unless she ducked in. You want to check the stores over there?
Well, she could have gone any direction. It was a pretty significant time lapse.
Yeah.
She came up on side and went up on the curb and then hit us.
Oh.
And then when she went to the front of us, she slammed on brakes.
Okay.
So then that's when he was like,
So she went on the sidewalk over here? Oh.
She came up the curb and must have went on the sidewalk because it was number one lane.
Yeah. Deactivating, bro. I don't see anybody that matches at the
15 minutes later, another officer arrived on scene to wait for the driver to return.
Order and y'all did nothing about it.
Ma'am, I just got here.
She got marks on her head from hitting her, so I'm just trying to understand what happened.
I don't know.
So I have zero understanding.
Where's she at?
Now the truth starts clawing its way out, piece by piece. Eyewitnesses step forward, voices sharper, more certain. One account stands out: aggressive driving, a reckless merge, and then impact. But it doesn't stop there. So the situation spirals as the driver jumps out, not in panic, but in fury. Words turn into shouts, and in seconds, the confrontation turns physical. A strike lands, then another. What should have been paperwork and insurance quickly mutates into a street fight, and just as suddenly as it began, the suspect disappears.
Back here.
Are you pressing charge? Are you going to arrest him for hitting her?
Well,
Yes or no?
Well, I have to get her side of the story.
Yes or no?
Well, I don't know.
It's not a yes or no. We only have one side of the story.
You see the marks on her head though, and it didn't happen because of the accident.
I don't know.
So for you to let somebody hit her, it don't even matter. What's your badge number?
52.
And what's yours?
892.
You say you just walked up? You wasn't here when it happened?
No.
Okay, but you were here, correct?
No, I wasn't here when it happened either. I showed up, then she walked off.
His badge number 52.
Hey, who are you?
I'm the parent and I'm also the owner of this car.
Oh, okay, perfect.
So I'm both.
Do you have your ID so I can send you information from the crash report?
You can do this right here. I wasn't driving, but
Well, there's two people attached to the car, so.
I'm a Nitrous.
I'm sorry, what was it?
I'm a Nitrous. I'm the first name.
Nitrous?
I'm the first name.
but that's my thing. Like, she left for her safety. Y'all.
No, she didn't. No, she didn't.
Y'all let her get
No.
beat up by a dude.
She's on the way. She's on the way back.
Oh, okay, perfect.
She's right here. She's coming out.
Oh, perfect. All right.
Yeah, because she's. Oh, there's
So we're going to 10-15 her.
Am I the only one out of range?
Hey, Greg, is that the woman? I know.
That's
that
the
is.
woman that hit me.
Okay.
Yeah, the one that was driving right.
Yeah, with the okay, perfect.
Yeah, that's her.
Do me a favor. Just hang out right here.
Okay,
The report's done. I'm going to send it to your email address, so you guys are actually
Yeah, but-
just hang out for just a minute.
On that
Okay?
thread.
Real quick. Raise your right hand for me.
Right hand.
Okay. You swear to affirm everything you told me is the truth?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Give me just a minute.
I know what it is. I have to go get them, but I gotta handle this car. That's not taking Everybody don't call me.
Is that you have your ID on you by chance?
No, he's talking to Destiny about her ID.
Thank you.
Scratch. I guess you got that from the accident too.
Dennis. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't take that. I want them to feel that y'all want
Is Destiny, are you still staying in on Albany? Okay. Okay, perfect. So what happened today?
Hello.
The guy hit me.
Time drags, but tension refuses to fade. Officers arrive, piecing together fragments of a story that refuses to sit still. Questions fire off. Who started it? Who's responsible? But answers are shaky, inconsistent, and loaded with emotion. Then out of nowhere, the driver returns, calm on the surface, but the storm is still there. She claims innocence, says she was hit, says she had to leave, but the narrative is already shifting, and the weight of multiple witnesses begins to close in like a tightening grip.
Trying to get my siblings, that's why I walked out. Okay. Trying to go get them, but they're already at another school.
Gotcha.
I couldn't go get them.
Okay.
They hit me.
Well, what happened with the traffic crash?
That's what happened. He hit me.
Okay.
He hit the back of me.
Where? Can you show me where, by chance?
He had a big truck.
Okay.
He sent us in the back. I don't know where.
It was like
we just pulled over. He was in there with us.
a little top. It was like a little.
So it wasn't even nothing that
It was
was
literally nothing at all.
But this did, you know.
Okay.
Yo,
that was
my damn feet, bro.
Yeah, but Supposedly the officer that saw was off duty, so.
Close out my phone so I can take some pictures real quick.
That was it. I was trying to go get my services. I called my dad and I called my mom when it happened.
All the marks on the face.
His daddy on the phone.
Yeah, he right now.
I called both of them as soon as it happened. Yes, sir.
So if you'll stay with your hands by your side for me. Oh, where are you? Oh, I'm just gonna get some close up to your face. Hold your hands out flat like that for me. All right. All right.
The only reason why I left is to try to go get my service, but it wasn't there.
That's fair.
So I left him here.
Right. So just so we're all clear, we're all on the same page. Right now, you're not free to leave. You're being placed under arrest for battery because I have 3 individual witnesses who weren't involved in the crash.
She placed
who
under
said
arrest
that,
for battery?
yes.
That's what I'm saying. I didn't hit him.
He hit her. If she got marks, if you're placing her under arrest,
Correct.
that man wasn't even here when that happened.
I'm just letting you know what's going on, right? So I have 3 witnesses who weren't involved in the crash.
Right? And who hit who? Who hit who?
To find out.
So
When the dude
Did you
like
sign my hair?
Oh, okay. But
So-
you're arresting one person.
So I'm just letting you know I have 3 witnesses who weren't involved with either
Who
one
was
of
the
y'all.
3?
That'll be part of the not him. No,
him?
no, ma'am.
Who else was there? There was nobody else there.
There were 3 people who saw it and pulled over and gave me their information, and so that'll be on the police
Okay, y'all
report
have
for
a
you.
supervisor that can come on.
Well, if you're
Because
not
there was
involved in this
only-
investigation,
She was. That's my mom. I was.
This is where everything flips. The investigation sharpens and the tone changes instantly. Officers stop asking, they start deciding, evidence stacks up, independent witnesses align, and just like that, the verdict in the moment is clear. This wasn't self-defense, this was battery. The words hit hard. You're not free to leave. The air thickens, shock, denial, frustration, it all collides at once. What started as a traffic incident has now escalated into a full-blown arrest situation.
Definitely.
so right now I'm gonna
I
ask
need
you
a
to turn around.
supervisor.
That's fine. I'm
No,
gonna ask you to
sir.
put your
I
hands.
need a supervisor,
So I'm gonna ask you to
please.
put your hands behind your back and you put your handcuff and put you in the back of the car.
I need to get a supervisor.
Definitely. No, wait.
Get down on the ground.
Mom, I need a
Get down on the
supervisor.
ground.
I already said that, Definitely.
Mom, what are you gonna do?
Stop. Stop.
3 different witnesses said that she's the one that
Stop.
had to make
Just stop. Just stop.
Nobody.
10-15. One time. Get up. Keep on
Nobody.
Definitely,
So-
we already know that, man. Like, hey,
I need nobody.
Conrad is a mother freak.
Keep an eye on it for me. No. Stop. You're not reaching into your pocket. Stop.
Definitely don't
Stop.
reach in your
Stop.
pocket.
Mom, can't get my phone.
Okay, we'll get your phone. Just don't reach in your pocket. Like, just listen to what they're saying. You will not reach in your pocket.
I won't. You will not
Don't reach in your pocket.
Please, I got my dog.
Okay, just don't reach in your pocket.
That's clear.
We know they both supposed to go to jail, but these officers are not real
All right,
officers.
come on. We're gonna stand you up.
Do you want to roll to your side or do
Because Dante definitely said that's what happened, but
Okay.
it don't matter. We need a supervisor to do it.
Come on.
All right, stand up. There we go.
Stand up.
That's it. You making it work.
Mom, can you get my shit?
You're okay.
Mom,
Right. You're making
Mom, can you get my stuff, please?
Okay. Stand up.
Mom, can you get
All right,
my
listen.
stuff?
Listen,
Get
stand up.
Get my pockets, get my
Stand up and get in the car and get another charge.
Okay.
He's got it in his
I
hand.
got it right here.
No, my cards and everything.
Okay.
My girlfriend's coming too.
Okay.
Please.
But you gotta get up.
Please,
Get up.
everything.
Get up. That's
I will.
Get up and get in the car.
Get
Come
up.
on.
Okay, get up. Like you doing too much. Like, okay, just get up. You don't have nothing in your pocket.
They got it all?
Yeah, he got it in his hand. Ain't
What about the money? Y'all take
There's no money on cards. Yes. There's no
My
money on
girlfriend is
cards.
coming. Alright. Car. Where your phone at? Car right now.
Stop. All you gotta do is get in the car. We'll let
You
you
don't
call
have to
people.
beat my hand like that, bitch.
I do because you're not listening. All right, you're gonna catch another charge, okay? You want another charge for resistance?
Dante!
Get in the car. We'll let you call people.
But you're not. You're beating my hand.
Because you're not
You gotta
listening.
get in the car.
I will, but you're not. You're beating my
Okay,
hand.
stand up.
In the car.
Just stand up.
In the car.
But it doesn't end quietly, not even close. Resistance kicks in, voices rise, commands are ignored. The situation teeters on the edge of control as officers push back with authority. Every second becomes a struggle, hands pulled away, orders repeated, tension boiling over. Family members intervene, emotions running wild, accusations flying in every direction. The scene turns volatile, unpredictable. This isn't just an arrest anymore, it's a battle of control, and no one is backing down.
Just get in the car.
Mom, where is she?
Just get in the car. Don't all that other stuff.
Come on.
Destiny, you are making it worse.
Mom, where's my girlfriend?
Now that she can't do nothing for you.
On the phone, bro. Get the car, bro. Where is she?
Okay.
Let me see her, please.
No, man, just get in like you.
No, Mom, let me see her, please.
Bro, you
Man, please.
real shit.
Can you get her on the seat?
You get her up.
I ain't no bond.
Okay, Destiny, like,
Bro, we got you, bro.
No, y'all don't.
Destiny, it don't matter enough. You won't have to get in one way or another.
Stop.
Guys, go back to my face. Thank you.
All that work for nothing.
Y'all got a supervisor already?
My supervisor's not coming here.
So who's coming?
I don't know.
How you see? So,
Just to even call their parents and lie that I hit her first. I mean,
we got witnesses.
all the witnesses.
You guys are good to go, okay?
Like, that's crazy.
I'm not being nasty.
Like, you let a
You
grown-
asked me
y'all
for
let
an
a grown
answer,
dude
so I
hit
gave you an
this
answer.
girl. Y'all let a grown man hit this girl and y'all arrest her?
I didn't let any. I didn't let anybody do anything.
So she touched him first is what you did.
Y'all wasn't even here.
Exactly. Like, that's crazy.
So I have 3 witnesses.
So how you gonna know?
Who? I was here.
I wasn't talking to you. I'm talking to her.
He was here, though. He was in the car with her.
I was
Okay.
like, how my cousin, bro?
Okay.
And now, the aftermath hits like a punch. The suspect is detained, but the arguments don't stop. Claims of injustice echo through the scene. You weren't even here. You got it wrong, but the officers stand firm, grounded in witness accounts and procedure. Whether right or wrong, the decision has been made, and there's no reversing it now. What began as a minor collision has spiraled into something far heavier. A reminder that in moments of chaos, one decision, just one, can ignite a chain reaction that changes everything.